Market is changing second by second. If you cannot handle your positions, please don't pass on the blame to others. So you have to be a bit more careful. You will be able to make money. And breaking this level of... Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. And today we're going to talk about the expiry. It was a pretty volatile expiry till about 245. After that, the market became unidirectionally in the downward direction. So just come to the screen. We will have a look at it. Before that, I want to answer a question, a comment that has come, that you gave that 39,400 is intact. I did say that at about 1 o'clock. I said that the market is expiry is about 39,400 based on the data. Okay. After that, at 245, I said the stop loss 39,400 is still intact. Again, but at 245, I said again that 39,400 is intact. But doesn't mean that you will not look into your position. You have also written that I didn't put the stop loss. I went here and there, and then suddenly the market started falling down. What kind of a trade are you doing? If you do not put the stop loss, that to be in the back Nifty, that to be on an expiry day, and you go here and there, and then you say that you have given this, it's not correct. Market is changing second by second. And we have told you, and after that we gave you the next expiry levels, and market almost expired at the same level. So if you cannot handle your positions, please don't pass on the blame to others. You have to learn to trade in the market. Nobody is God. You have to put the stop loss. You have to know what kind of positions are you holding, whether it's positive, negative, whatever. And you're also watching the screen, isn't it? Aren't you seeing that the market is coming down? So anyway, what we have done early morning, we have given a buy on the back Nifty's option at about 130, 39,300 call option we bought. From 130, it made a high of about 180. That was our first trade. Back Nifty went up, came down, went up. Double top, it made a double top, came down. Almost from the double top, it made a low of about it came down about 300 points. The low, almost like 300 points, it fell from there. Not 300, but 200 points, it fell from there. Again, bounced from this level, very quickly bounced. It was a very, very volatile closing today. 39,154, it bounced to about 39,483, which is like roughly about 330 points. And then hovered here for almost like 11:50 to 2:20, almost like 3.5 hours. It hovered at this place, and then the sells started coming in, and then there was a good fall that was seen in the back Nifty. So now let's have a look at Nifty as well. Now, before I go on to that, some action points that I want to show you. Double top, right? This is double top. And if you hear the live trading that I was doing with you all, I said that the back Nifty is forming the double top. Okay, be cautious now. And then it fell almost like 200 points from the same level to here. Quick bounce, and then again back Nifty got stuck up over here. These are different levels that I've marked with my own understanding. And again it experienced a very strong resistance at 39,500. And after that, once it formed the tweezer top, have a look at, like when you want to trade in the back Nifty, your understanding of the candlestick pattern has to be very, very good. Have a look at the tweezer top. This is a tweezer top. If you short it from here, like below this candle, how much will be stop loss? Barely anything, just about 50 points. And 50 points in future will translate about 15 to 20 points in the options. Now, you have to really understand the candlestick pattern, or you can search it on my channel as well. You can just quickly search on my channel candlestick pattern, and you will be able to see a lot of videos that I have made about candlestick patterns. So see here, these are important money making candlestick patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just watch them and ensure your understanding is good about back Nifty. So here was the tweezer top, and then it oscillated from this level time and again. This support, this resistance became the support. But once this support was broken, Bank Nifty almost fell like 400 points, almost like 400 points had come into Bank Nifty after that. So understanding the candlestick pattern is very important. So two patterns that I would like to focus upon. First pattern that I would like you to concentrate is upon here. This is a zone where Bank Nifty made double top. Okay. Second zone that I want you to concentrate upon is this zone where Bank Nifty took a support from today's low. Like today's candle, the low of today's candle was respected very beautifully. See here, this low was respected, took a good support and went up. The third pattern that I want you to keep in radar or understand is this tweezer top, which I've put the Bank Nifty's 5 minutes chart, where Bank Nifty stayed here for almost like 20 minutes. And after that, breaking this low, it was a good fall. So uh, why we gave you about Bank Nifty's intact when I said that expiry is about 39,400. Even after some kind of a drop, I said it's still intact because the put writers were not unwinding. And then they started unwinding and we gave you a range that this is the Bank Nifty's range. And let's see where Bank Nifty expired. It expired almost exactly at the same point. It expired at 38,950. So understanding market is very important. I'm again asking you to really note this place, this support, and this place where Bank Nifty took constant resistance, almost like 20 minutes. And then when it broke this level, you saw this huge drop that has come into Bank Nifty. Now let's do the similar analysis for Nifty. Hope you have understood some part of trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see what happened in Bank Nifty. This is simply Nifty 5 minutes graph. Again, the same kind of a scenario. Nifty had formed almost like a triple top. At this place, Nifty has formed a triple top. 1, 2, 3, and then it fell. Okay. And then again, Nifty took a support. Where did it take a support? It took a support from the past resistance zone. Past, wherever it experienced the resistance, from the same place it took a support, went up till 1744, and then again, just notice this candle, this red candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle. This was not a bearish engulfing, but this is a bearish engulfing candle. After that, market just went horizontal for some time and breaking this level of 17,700, it had a good fall till about 17,500, almost like 200 points fall came into Nifty. So understanding, once again, I will show you that this is a place that you need to observe what happened here. Almost like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 20 minutes. Nifty took a support and then went up. And what happened here? Double top and triple top. And look at the price action. Nifty made a lower high. So breaking this level, you had a good opportunity to short, and this gave about 50 points. Right, again it took a support here, you got another opportunity to buy, and then selling started coming with the tweezer top and bearish engulfing at about 17,740 and breaking this support zone. Nifty had a big fall. So this is how the price action of Nifty was today. So I'm hoping that you have understood a little bit how the price action really works in Nifty, and hope you can make good money in this way and learn about the candlestick pattern. So now let's have a look at the 1-day time frame and see what lies ahead, what could be a possibility. If you have a look at it yesterday formed an inside candle. Yesterday Nifty formed an inside candle. Okay, that means Nifty was indecisive. Today there was a little bit gap of opening, it went up, came down, and it kind of engulfed this indecisive candle. So to me, what it looks that market is quite negative. If tomorrow there is a gap down opening, then I will understand that market is planning to go down, right? In case tomorrow there is a gap down opening, I will understand that Nifty is planning to go down. Similarly, let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty. What does Bank Nifty say? So Nifty, Bank Nifty was slightly more bullish, but that has also given a good breakout in the downward direction. I would still say Nifty is more bearish than Bank Nifty. And in fact, this is a scenario for quite many days. Nifty has been more bearish as with respect to Bank Nifty. Let me just show you. So here is Nifty on my right side, Bank Nifty was on my left side. Why am I saying Nifty looks more bearish? One, that it has completely, this candle was indecisive. Yesterday's candle was indecisive. Today it's a bearish engulfing candle, and there has been a huge amount of selling. It has kind of taken out this candle. So that is why Bank Nifty is stronger. Why? Because yesterday's candle has crossed past previous day's high. And today's candle was gap up, went up and came down. But still it's not as powerful to go below yesterday's low. So that is why I say Bank Nifty is little less negative and Nifty is looking more negative. So you have to be a bit more careful with your positions. There could be a correction that can be expected, but I'm not saying that you exit all your positions and stay out of the market. No, just be careful. What could be a possible way of hedging your positions? Suppose, let me just show you how could you hedge your positions. For example, let's say you have some good stock in your portfolio at this point of time. Let's say you have BATL or you have LNTFH, any other stock that you have in your, let's say CUB. What can you really do? If it is at 189, you can sell at 200 call option. You can sell 𝐶𝐈𝐴 200 call option. So let's see where is CUB's 200 call option. So September call option 200, right? Where is 200 call option? It's at about 4 rupees 60 paisa. Lot size is 5,000. You will be easily able to make about 20,000 rupees in CUB. So that is how you will hedge. Just sell a call option little far away, but for the month of September, in case you're expecting some kind of a correction coming in the market, 200 is going to be a very, very strong resistance level, as a huge amount of call writing has happened over there. So what you can do is you can sell call option. So that is how you will be able to make, even in the falling market, you don't need to exit your positions, but yet you will be able to make money. So I think this is what I wanted to share about, because I'm finding market to be on a very, very something more before I close. So see, Nifty's market is struggling. It went slowly, gradually up, 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 then a bearish engulfing candle, then a gap down opening, then again bulls pushed it up, and today again bears are getting aggressive. Same thing happened with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty went up, went up, went up, went up. Bearish engulfing, gap down, again up, bullish engulfing, then little up, and today, after opening slightly up, the market has come down. So there is a fight going on between bulls and the bears. So it's time to be cautious, time to be careful. You can protect your capital, you can hedge your capital, you can make some more money in case you are holding some stocks in your portfolio. Take the margin on those stocks and have equal amount of cash, and then you can sell call options. So this is the way you can hedge your portfolio. So this is what I wanted to share. With this, I'll be signing off. Stay tuned. What could be expected tomorrow? Okay, just 1 minute. What can be expected tomorrow? If Nifty goes below 17,492, I'm talking about the futures. In case Nifty goes below 17,490, then a target of 17,380 can be easily seen. Means drop of 100, 120 points is easily can be seen in Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? In case Bank Nifty closes below today's low, so below 38,900, we can expect a target of 38,600, and below 38,600, we can definitely expect 38,300. These are the targets that we can look for, and be careful. There could be indecisive candle in case market has to go up. The next candle tomorrow could be indecisive if there is a gap up opening, but in case if there's a gap down opening, then lower targets can be definitely expected. So with this, I'll be signing off. There is no fresh stock that I'm giving for a buy. For that, join me in the live market. Today we gave Lalpak, today we gave Techno Electric. They have given beautiful breakout in the live market. And in case you want such trades, stay tuned, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the live market tomorrow. The link of that will be in the description box. Take care. Bye bye.